What is up, everyone? How you doing? So as you guys know, we went to New Jersey this weekend and drifted a Club Loose drift event down in Englishtown, New Jersey for the first time. It was amazing. S13 did amazing. The track was a blast and it was just an amazing time. Amazing. And I can't wait to get back down. If you guys didn't watch the video, go watch it. It was sick. It was awesome. It was amazing. So yesterday something really big happened, and I'm not gonna say what happened. I'm just gonna show you. So we're gonna have a quick flashback.
Don't worry, you'll drive it again. You'll drive it again.
Have fun. Well, guys, the E36 M3 is officially gone. One of my good friends, Chris, actually got it, which is cool. I'm happy that such an awesome car is able to go on to a friend, and he's actually doing something pretty cool with it. It's gonna be a drift car, so that might piss some people off, but I think it's pretty sick. What do you think, Derek?
I like it. Yeah. I like that kid. I think he's gonna do good things with it.
Exactly. It's gonna be cool. Great home. What do you think, Tukey? Yeah, me too. All right, as you guys can tell, E36 is officially gone. You guys know we weren't planning on keeping it from the start, but I'm happy we were able to resurrect the M3 and give it a new life. If you guys want to continue the journey of the M3, go check out my buddy's Instagram right here. And you'll see him do some pretty cool things with the car. So on top of that, I also got an update. The heads for the LSZ has officially shipped out. Well, the heads, the cam, and everything that supports it. As you guys know, we've been waiting on them for a little while now. Unfortunately, the valves were on back order, so we had to wait for those to come in. They were in. They put them in. They shipped them out, and now we're waiting. Hopefully, they come in by the end of the week, so we could actually have this thing together, running and driving this weekend. That would be the goal. Thursday, we're drifting. And then a week from now, we're going to Germany. And then after that, we're moving into the new shop. So it's going to be a crazy next couple weeks, but I couldn't be more excited. So on top of that, B-Hall is off work today. So we're just going to hang out, do some things. And potentially something very big is happening today. That might be the title, might not be. We'll talk about it. If not, I'm just going to leave you guys guessing because it's going to happen eventually. So let's see if it happens. All right, B, what's happening?
I have no idea. What is happening?
What?
Why are you asking me?
I don't know. I just didn't want to narrate it.
Oh, okay. So right now, Derek's standing on this skateboard, about to get injured.
Again?
Orion showed up with his M3. Not really sure why, but that's cool. Everyone's invited. Adam, he's burping. Dropped off the Porsche.
Yeah.
I was just going to take it for a rip real quick. Thanks, bud. Oh, hey, gas tank's topped off, right? I can't afford the gas for that thing. Anyways.
And yeah, and Tommy Effie came down, and he is officially buying my RX-7 FT.
Oh, it's sold?
Yeah, it's sold.
Sick. You want to buy me lunch?
I always buy you lunch. So that is the big surprise. I didn't want to announce because I didn't know it was going to happen or not, but it's happening, and some of you guys are probably screaming at your keyboard right now. And I'm sorry. I guess, am I sorry? No, this is good. This is a good time. So
actually, most people are probably going to be happy. I'm not sure because you guys are wild. First, you said we were crazy for doing this and that, and then you liked it, and then you said we were crazy again for having another idea, and then you liked it. So now you're probably going to say we're crazy again, but you're realizing that Jimmy was probably wrong twice.
yeah, from the beginning.
From
always
the beginning,
wrong.
always
Okay.
wrong.
Okay, so I need here.
Say it. You
Derek?
want
Wait,
Derek's
here's a little
better,
hint.
Hold on,
better
real
height.
quick.
Okay.
You know what I just realized? That the first episode I ever watched was when you guys made the subframe.
And it was
for
sick.
this
You
car.
loved it,
yeah,
right? It was
like
sick.
I remember
Yeah.
I seeked you out and
Okay.
I told you how good of a job that you did on it.
Nice
Workshop.
Yeah.
Okay, so
All right, here we go.
You guys are gonna grill me. Keep trying to make up my mind, and it's true. I keep changing my mind constantly on this car. This car has been sitting in the back of the garage for months now, and we did the whole 1J thing. We took it out. Then we said we're gonna do SR. Then I realized like screw that, and then we were gonna do K series, and I didn't. Now I'm saying screw that. I still think the build's sick, and I love to do it, but it's not the time nor the place to perform that swap in my life.
If you're going to swap an FD, a K is probably the way to
Yeah,
go.
K turbo,
100%.
100%.
Yeah.
So we've determined that. In this, we've gone through all these steps. K series turbo is the shit. But I figured I should just listen to what everyone told me from the beginning and try out a rotary car. So the more I think about it, the more I realized an RX-7 has been my dream car forever now, and I figured it'd be dumb to not experience in its purest form from the very start, and that's with it 100% stock with a rotary in it, and then ruin it from there, right? I think that's a pretty good idea.
100%.
And you know, if you're mad about this, you could think about one thing. Literally every single car, except for the Volkswagen, is a swapped car. This is
Yeah.
a swapped car. That's a swapped car. That's a swapped car. That was a swapped car. So if you're mad about the fact that we're doing an original engine in this, just
I'm excited.
These
to
are all
just
here.
Enjoy it for one. So, white M3 is sold. The FD is sold. Now, will we sell the E36? I don't know. Probably.
Make an offer.
Make an offer, but
you can buy me if you want.
big change of heart down here. I just something snapped to me the other week, and going to a new shop. A lot of things are changing, and I think it's great to start fresh, start something new.
Clean slate.
Clean slate. I'm excited. I'm extremely excited for this, and really, I just really want a stock RX-7. I think it'd be amazing.
Well, here's the thing about stock RX-7, right?
Yep.
What's the thing, Derek?
The thing about stock RX-7 is that you can buy one complete, drive it, have a great time. Inevitably, it's going to blow up.
Yeah, it's a fact.
And then we are presented with the opportunity to do this again.
Rotary stuff, though. I want to do like a garage port. I want to learn how to build a rotary. I think it's gonna be sick.
Ooh, I know some people that can really help you with that too.
That's what I'm saying.
Jimmy, what are you doing?
Dude, he said he left the keys, but I can't find them anywhere.
I don't think he would leave the keys.
Come on, Adam. Yeah, you know it's better. I'm just gonna pretend anyways.
You look great.
Oh man, I totaled it. Dude, it looks good outside, doesn't it?
Sad day.
When you see the sun hit the clear coat failure, it shines.
Did you wipe it off with your hands?
All right, guy, come on.
Jimmy, is this gonna be a title of the video? I sold my. Do people know that you're getting rid of it? Are they gonna be upset?
No, they don't know.
I would be so upset.
You're such a guy.
No, I would.
If I was a viewer and I invested all this time into your FD build and then you sold it, dude, oh my god.
Some jackass who's just gonna part it out.
Just fuck it.
Yeah.
Oh my God, guys.
No, but it's been like a
No.
dream of yours to have an FD, and I'm
He's
sad
gonna
to see
get-
it
No,
go.
but I'm gonna get a nicer one.
A nice-
it's
Oh, you
good.
are?
Yeah.
Better.
You should just get the red one.
Faster, stronger.
Prettier.
You should get the red one.
No, he wants top dollar for that damn
Yeah,
thing.
tell me what's top dollar for everything.
Well, that's broken.
Says the guy. Thanks.
Go on. Thanks, guy.
I don't sell drugs, I swear. It's ATM.
Jesus. What are these, all 20s? Man, this is a sad day. It's exciting now. Don't hate me, please. Later.
Maybe you don't need a bigger shop.
Yeah, I guess not.
You should have got rid of some of these cars earlier.
So, all right, so had a good day so far. We sold the RX-7, got to hang out with LZ for a while, having some good times down here.
I got to drive that. I drove that.
I'm jealous.
I did a burnout in a GT3 RS.
And so now we're gonna go head down to my buddy's shop in. Who cares? We're gonna go down to my buddy's shop, and we're gonna put a startup map on his Supra. This should be the first time it's starting with this all new setup. AEM Infinity, all that good stuff. I'm out of breath. Let's go.
Most important thing is we're going to have fun.
Always. What we got here?
Oh, dude, the powder coat looks dope.
Oh,
Powder coat looks fresh. That thing looks hard, dude.
yeah. Let's see something nice.
Let's hear their wrist, kid. I saw you on the seat, dude. I never saw you do that.
Wait, he was on the seat that time? Yeah. No way, I've never seen him do that. Ooh. Dude, the white on white looks so good. Okay. Alright.
Bend that corner, D.
Nah, he won't do it. He's scared.
Yes, he got it.
Oh! Nice work, kid.
The clutch in, dude. He's working it.
Oh, he almost had. He got you too used to his other bike.
Oh, facts. There he is. Gimme, 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 gimme. There he is. There he is. There he is. Gimme, 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 gimme. There he is.
You ready to party? Clearly. What's up, Dougie?
Been working hard, hardly working. We're getting this thing going.
How is it?
Good. Ooh. Ooh, that's some good light you got there.
Oh, you like that?
So-
Got 5,000 lumens.
Is she ready to go?
She should be ready to go if Yimmy works his magic.
That looks
I'm excited. I'm super excited right
I
now.
could tell. Y'all yipped up.
No, I won't go that far. Drink to be now.
Look at this light, dude.
Yo, fuck Snap-on. Go straight to Home Depot and get yourself one of
Walmart,
these.
17 bucks, dude.
$17 hanging off the hood of a Mark IV.
And there's another one right there.
Sick.
Look at this place is no longer a dungeon. Because Jimmy said that it was a dungeon. So I had to upgrade.
Still mostly a dungeon, but this area over here is nice.
All right, so we got going on here. So we have, what coil packs are these?
Toyota Yaris. We got Yaris coil packs and some 1050X injectors and 6262 precision turbs.
Pump gas, I'm assuming.
Pump gas 93 and AEM Infinity 6.
Ooh, a bunch of colors. I'm into it. That's
You know
cool.
me. I'm a color guy. I'm colorful.
Yeah. You're missing hose clamps and such.
Where?
I got it. The motor was never open. I brought it in New York. We live, baby! Test hit number 1. You ready to party, Michael? Is there oil in this thing?
Yes.
Is there coolant in this
Yes.
thing? Is there training fluid in this thing?
Yes.
Oh! You stupid ground!
I gotta fucking.
You know this messes everything up.
Just fixed this. I just fucking need it. Try that.
Alright, well now I gotta reconnect everything because your stupid ground. Okay, let's try again. Michael! Michael!
I think
Yeah, ball gas ground. Alright, here we go. Let's see if Mike's ball gas ground does it again.
yeah. Let's check for spark. I don't know.
Yeah, we're gonna check for spark, and we're gonna probably check the engine timing.
Yeah. I see you on that.
So the crank signal is wrong. We had it in for a non-VVTi, even though AM gave it as the same years as a VVTi motor. But we fixed that, so we should be good to go.
All right, Jimmy. Let's see what we got. Oh! Hold on. Running.
Yeah, it's running. That.
So that was cool. Little change to the computer. Just fired right up.
Oh, not bad.
Sounded good.
Smoking, it's smoking.
Alright, so we got the idle set right here. The game is looking pretty good. The smoke burning off the radio exhaust, heat wrap. Overall, it sounds really good.
JZs are crazy. Like, they grab idle like this. Like, you can hear it just. Grabs idle.
Yeah.
No problem.
Yeah,
They
no
love
dip
it.
below and then back up. Yeah. And this is with no idle air control.
Oh, idle air control.
Gotta love it.
Mike, it looks like DJ was walking on your windshield.
He was.
DJ,
Jay.
keep your socks on. You're gonna get your feet dirty, kid.
We just gave it a quick little street tune just so you know, the car is safe to drive around, so you could kind of work out all the kinks and everything that happens when you basically just fully redo everything on a car. I don't know if you can see me, it's kind of dark outside, but car sounds great, car's running great. So now he's gonna drive it around and fix everything, and then we'll bring it to the dyno and
Make some horse puppies.
yeah, exactly. but he has a little wimpy transmission, W58, so we got to be careful.
Very careful.
Oh, don't be careful.
Yeah, let's blow it apart.
Who gives a shit?
All right.
But it's past Tucker's bedtime, so let's get out of here, boys.
Until next time, Michael G. He goes, what happened?
All right, Michael G, try not to beat too much.
Oh, I'm not. I'm not even probably driving it until I bring it up to you.
Okay.
I gotta have a safe. I'm sorry. Who's got a? Does anybody have a cigarette on? I'm all fresh out of here.
Dude, this feels so nice without the FD here. I've never like not had a car here.
I know.
Like, my shop is really nice for 5 cars. But whatever. All right, so hope you guys still aren't mad at me or happy with me. I don't know. But now the real question is, do I get a left-hand drive car or do I get a right-hand drive car? Because that's what's killing me. Because right now they're very similar pricing. The right-hand drive cars used to be cheaper, but in the price range I'm looking for, they're about the same. So, what do you think, B?
I don't know. A lot of people are saying that right-hand drive is just cooler, and that's what you should get. But
Left-hand drive kind of just makes more sense because it'll hold more value. And
yeah, they have tend to hold their value more in the past, so hopefully that would remain the same. But I mean, it's like it's a matter of preference.
So yeah, I guess the real thing is which one pops up first, or which one's cleaner. You know.
Yeah, honestly, that's at the end of the day, that's not a determining factor. Right-hand drive,
Yeah.
left-hand drive. The car is the determining factor.
So my goal is to get a non-sunroof car this time. I would really love a non-sunroof car. I don't mind the moonroofs. I think they're kind of cool.
That's a pretty high determining factor.
Yeah. I honestly don't really mind the metal sunroof, the moonroofs, what you call it. Those don't really bother me that much. It's the glass. And then I want. I wouldn't buy a CY. I wouldn't buy a Montego blue one again. I wouldn't buy a Montego blue one again, or a silver. Really, I want a black one, a red one, or yellow would be the most ideal one. But those are too expensive. So we'll see what happens.
See what comes up.
We'll see what comes up. But I'm really excited. This is gonna be an awesome move. So with that, we got a lot done today. I'm really happy. It was an awesome day. So we're just gonna end it here. And yes, you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content. And
We'll see you tomorrow. Have a great night.